Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by storing the base shape so you can return to it. This is essential. Make sure you have a clean mesh and at least one subdivision level available, then go straight to Tool Right Arrow Morph Target and press Store MT to capture the original. Once done, duplicate the tool or export a quick backup so you never lose the base state. You are not preparing, you are creating the reference. That stored morph target is the only reliable starting point for all subsequent edits. Now sculpt the expression or shape change on higher subdivisions. You want detail while retaining the stored base. Use the morph brush to paint where the delta should apply, and toggle Tool Right Arrow Morph Target Right Arrow Switch to see the before and after. Once you like the change, use layers to capture intensity or masking to protect areas. This gives you clean, editable deltas. Make sure to test switching back and forth while lowering subdivision to confirm the morph transfers across levels correctly. Finish by preparing the mesh for export. Freeze or merge subtools as needed and select the subdivision level that best represents your morph. Use Z plugin or tool export with morph targets /morph export enabled. FBX preserves morphs for most DCCs. Once exported, test in the target app and adjust influence if needed. If something goes wrong, restore MT on a fresh copy, redo the sculpt on a clean layer, and confirm normal directions, often a flipped normal or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.